Hi, in today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how to fix some layer line problems like we have in this letter. Please note, before you attempt this repair, to turn off your Prusa. You don't want to burn out a motor like I did. Prusa's been making some weird screaming noises for a couple days now. This print finished, and I can see that the edges over here are not lined up the way they're supposed to be. So we're going to take some look at some of the settings and some of the things we can try and fix to see if we can fix that problem. The first thing I'm going to do is run a belt test. So with the Prusa powered on, I'm going to push this button here. I'm going to scroll down to calibrations right there. And I'm going to scroll down here to belt test. So this time we got a axis length problem with the y-axis. That tells me there's some sort of problem with this belt right here. Okay, so I'm going to test this pulley back here at the back of the y-axis. I'm going to move the print bed forward and back. And we can see that pulley is sliding side to side. That tells me that there's a set screw here and a set screw here is loose. We need to make sure these are lined back up with the flat side of this axle and tightened back down, and try our print again. I'm going to use the Allen wrenches that came with my Prusa. I'm going to check and see this one. This one feels like it is loose. Let me see if I can move this a little bit and check the other set screw. This one also feels loose. I am making sure that this set screw is lined up with the flat side of this axle, and then I'll tighten both set screws back down. With these set screws tightened down, the motor replaced, I've been able to reprint the letter that caused the problem in the first place, and there's no more issues. I did, in the process of showing you how to test for that, accidentally burn out that motor, so that has been replaced also. If you make sure your device is turned off before you start moving the print bed to test if that pulley is loose or not, you will not burn out the motor like I did. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe for new videos every week. In the comments, let us know other videos you'd like to see us make.